Hello, I am Dr. Piyush Sharma, Professor and Principal, Maharshi Arvind College of Pharmacy, Ambawadi, Jaipur. Our today's learning dialogue is on online teaching versus classroom teaching. So here we'll talk about these online and classroom teaching. The learning objective of our today's learning dialogue, you will learn to differentiate classroom and online teaching. You will identify benefits of online teaching and identify various components of online teaching. Also, here you can create and use LED, LBD, LXI and LXT. Here we are able to see the traditional classroom. In this traditional classroom, you are able to see the teacher is teaching his topic through the PowerPoint presentation and maybe he is conducting test. Students are sitting in the classroom and listening to the teacher. But you can easily see that few of the students are engaged in directly study or learning, but some of the students, they are not able to understand, or even they are not able to understand that what's going on in the class. Few are not interested at all in this class. Some are writing in the class and confused or are thinking that what teacher is teaching. So this is a traditional classroom teaching pattern. We can say this classroom teaching pattern is having its own advantage. Out of this advantage, we can say that the motivation to the student, because the student is present in the class and teacher can directly talk to the student even if they are diverting at somewhere. The immediate feedback can be obtained by the teacher. The student can raise, and if they are able to understand the topic, teacher can be asked about that. This system is familiar to both student and teacher, and it is a long ongoing process. It is easy for the instructor because it is teacher centric process. So various advantages we having in traditional classroom teaching. But if we talk about some disadvantages of this traditional teaching, that are it is instructor centered teaching learning methodology, where teacher is going to deliver the lecture and student, even they are interested or not, they just are sitting physically in the classroom. It is time and location bounded teaching learning methodology. Here student and teacher both have to be present in the classroom and at the same place. So it is a big constraint for the teacher and the learner. The process is more expensive because all the physical infrastructure is required to operate and run the teaching learning methodology. But even we do not say that we should not utilize the traditional or classroom teaching methodology, but apart or additional to this, we can use the online teaching methodology. So let's see what's going on in this traditional teaching method. What exactly happen when teacher delivers some concept and instruction, gives to the student and demonstrate them? Then what happen? Some of the student get understand. That's okay. But some of the student do not understand. And some students get misunderstand. Now either teacher has to revise them, Otherwise, one student will not able to understand, and another one who is in misunderstanding will be not able to understand what exactly teacher has taught. So teacher again revise them about the topic, but the nature of the student or learning nature of the student is different. So it is difficult to repeat a single topic again and again in a class. So this is a constraint of traditional classroom teaching. Now we having the technology. So with the use of the technology, because in our country we can say that 2G, 3G, 4G, even 5G is going to be utilized. So with this technology, teacher can be technology friendly and can go through the online teaching. Here we having a reflection spot. So just pause the video and take a pen and note down in a diary about this reflection question. Write the advantage of online teaching to the teacher and students. Okay, now start the video. We will discuss and you will get to know what are the advantages of online teaching. The online teaching that can be subdivided in two parts. One is synchronous teaching, that is a real-time teaching experience where instructor-led online classes. All the student and teacher is present at a specific time on laptop, mobile or any of the online medium, and teacher is delivering lecture to the student. Another one, that is asynchronous teaching. In this asynchronous teaching, that is not in real time online teaching. Here teacher record the videos and upload it. Student assess this video and go through these videos again and again, can learn continuously. So we will go for the advantage of this online teaching. So student can increase the learning behavior in this online teaching methodology because they are sitting with their choice. Student get more engagement because these are conducted on these mobiles, laptops, and students are more keen and friendly to this technology. It is time and location flexibility. Student can access any of the time and from any of the location. So it is good for everyone to study, and this process is convenient for teacher also because teacher can upload the videos and study material in digital medium. Another advantage of this online teaching are the more teaching opportunities are available to the teacher, where teacher can teach much more students. Better organization can be done by teacher in advance. All the study materials and all the learning dialogues and the test preparations can be done in advance. The diverse teaching experience can also be obtained by the teacher because he can able to teach the student from various places and from interstate, from India or maybe from the abroad. It is easy access and sharing of the information. Teacher easily can share the information through digital media. It is self-discipline and self-responsibility of the teacher as well as student. Student has to be self-disciplined to study himself or herself and must will be responsible his own. Now, what exactly happened in the online teaching methodology? The teacher when deliver any concept through video mode, exactly student get understand either, or maybe some student do not understand and some student misunderstand, but student can revise the video again and again and again so much or multiple times until they do not able to exactly understand or learn the delivered study material. Thank you. I am Dr. Piyush Sharma. So feel free to contact me for any further queries. Thank you.